Prime Minister Andrew Holness attends CARICOM intersessional meeting in Haiti and promotes the use of technology to enhance efficiency in government service and law enforcement. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was in Haiti last Monday for the 29th intersessional meeting of the CARICOM Heads of Government Conference. There, he led Jamaica's position on several matters key to regional integration. Among the issues discussed were the full implementation of the CARICOM single market and economy, disaster management, climate change financing, tourism in the region, and the impact of crime and violence. The discussions came ahead of Jamaica assuming the chair of CARICOM in July this year. While at the conference, Mr. Holness engaged his fellow heads of government on the findings of the report he commissioned into Jamaica's relations within CARICOM and CARIFORUM. The Prime Minister engaged in other high-level discussions on Tuesday as Jamaica played host to the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB) 7th Annual Caribbean Governors Meeting. The event provided a platform for Jamaica and the IDB to sign a $248 million loan agreement. The money will go towards the digitization of government data, providing technological support for government's implementation of the National Identification System (NIDS), and bolstering Jamaica's digital capacity in national security.
What we're doing with creating now a unique ID, a digital ID, a platform for communication, a digital platform for communication and exchange of information for government, a single portal for information, and using technology to enhance law enforcement and to increase the speed of doing business is one part of the general strategy of public sector transformation.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Holness said progress was being made in the groundwork and sensitization process for the implementation of NIDS. He said the pilot implementation should begin in the last quarter of 2018 and again stressed that this national ID system was important for several reasons.
Whether it is increasing the efficiency of the public sector, the speed at which we do business, and giving the citizen an identity, the government is acting in the best interest of the citizen. And that is what we're doing. It's nothing nefarious, nothing to in any way erode the privacy of the citizen. What we are trying to do is to strengthen government so that we can better serve you.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness also asserted last week that his administration was taking bold steps to leverage technology to boost efficiency in the public sector. This includes ongoing work to digitize the public service, which includes creating web-based platforms and portals such as GovNet and Gov.jm.
What we have to create now is using the efficiency gains from public sector transformation to attract people to Jamaica by virtue of the fact that Jamaica is easier to do business than anywhere else in the Caribbean. That is the premium that we are trying to create, and technology will give us the leverage to create that premium.
And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is re-emphasizing government's commitment to investing more in the justice system. There's an 8% increase in allocation to the judicial branch of government for the 2018-19 financial year.
The government has a responsibility to provide the necessary resources, and the judiciary must use these resources in an efficient manner that ensures positive outcomes in a timely fashion as we seek to secure economic and social development for our society.
Mr. Holness was addressing the swearing-in ceremony for Justice Brian Sykes, who has been appointed Jamaica's new Chief Justice.
I am confident that the Honorable Justice Brian Sykes will discharge his functions with honor, integrity, and distinction. I am confident that under his leadership, there will be a transformation of Jamaica's justice system.
And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for more of the news coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.